Relax, relax, please relax. Yes, the rumors are true. FIU Chapman Graduate School of Business is having an open house on Saturday, October 25th. It's your chance to discover our graduate programs, explore your options, and take the next step towards your career goals. Questions?
Can we actually talk with someone one-on-one about the program and our questions?
Absolutely. You'll meet faculty, alumni, and advisors on site ready to answer your questions directly.
Will there be help with financial aid? What about scholarships?
Yes, most graduate programs offer scholarships, and financial aid experts will be on site to walk you through the process.
What about careers? What happens after graduation?
Not to worry, FIU has a dedicated career services team to help you navigate your career post-graduation.
What about food?
We got you all covered. You'll enjoy a free breakfast, and parking is free. Also, just by showing up, we'll waive any and all application fees.
We definitely shouldn't miss this.